Ready?
We were assigned a science project about Newton's 3 laws of motion. To help demonstrate Newton's 3 laws of motion, the 8th grade class went to Castles and Coasters. At Castles and Coasters, we had to compare a ride to each law of motion. The first law of motion is an object either remains at rest or continues to move at a constant velocity unless acted upon by an external force. The Sea Dragon represents the first law of motion by using inertia. The wheels on the Sea Dragon accelerate the ride into the air, and in the air, it remains at a constant velocity. When the ride is coming to an end, the wheels slow down the Sea Dragon. The wheels of the Sea Dragon represent the inertia happening to the ride. The second law of motion is an object moves in the direction that the force is applied. The magic carpet represents Newton's second law of motion. The magic carpet applies Newtons in a clockwise and counterclockwise directions, and the ride moves in the direction that the Newtons are applied. The third law of motion is one of forces applied and equal opposite reaction will be applied. The bumper boats relate to the third law of motion because when two boats hit each other at the same force, they both bounce back with the same amount of force. Therefore, if two bumper boats hit each other with 5 newtons, they will both bounce back 5 newtons. Castles and Coasters was a fun way to compare roller coasters with Newton's laws of motion. I learned a great deal of Newton's laws of motion throughout this field trip.